In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can blur in Gimp. So with this tutorial, I hope I'm going to achieve my goal, which is to show you the solution and how you can blur in Gimp in short time. And also you learn something. So let's jump right in this video. So if you go to filters here in Gimp, you have filters, and then this dashboard here, we have filters. Just go to blur, and then here we have Gaussian blur. So many different blur options we have the focus blur, Gaussian blur. I'm just looking for the ones that are popular. I know I've used with other, or I've used that with other apps, and I'm looking if they're located, if they're available here as well. Well, they are. Gaussian blur, we can increase. As you can see, we have filters, opacity. We can increase from this side. As you can see, we can detach this, and now only the size Y and Z we can increase. We have filters, we have this as well, and we can click OK or cancel and try a different filter, different blur filter. The zoom motion, it's quite interesting. I like it. It works nice with this image. Can increase now, and of course I can select which portion. So first it's just taking a little bit of time, which, to be quite honest, I've used Gimp for some time now, but I don't know, it's, you tell me, maybe you know more, but it isn't like it's not optimized for Mac OS, because I feel like it's more, not that I feel like, it just is, I guess. It's not that optimized on Mac OS. On my Windows PC is more fluid, even when I'm editing an image. But I'm more on the go and I'm using more the MacBook. But yeah. Anyways, I'll cancel this one here, and let's try a different one. We also have lens blur, which again, I think this one it's really used, and this feature is available in other apps, which I'm happy that is available here as well. So now another filter, we have variable blur, a pixel one as well. So that's where you can find blur in GIMP. So I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching and take care.